for some of the more kind of specialized marketplaces, especially, there's obviously two ways to grow, which is get more buyers in total or increase how much they're spending. So, how do you see the growth over the next few years, especially, with costs of acquisition obviously going to be much more of a focus? Is it on increasing how much each person spends or getting more customers, and how do you plan on doing that?
Who wants to go? Who wants to take this?
I love that question because we got it quite a lot during the funding round, because at the end of the day, marketplaces where they fail quite a lot is that they don't manage to be the point that you do your business in. So they will be the niche thing that you go to kind of complete.
Yeah, the kind of add-on. Like,
yeah,
I got some stock I can't sell.
Exactly. And again, I think for us, the key thing is like, how do you figure out, how do you become core to their business? That's the biggest thing before you start, again, chucking buyers onto the top of the funnel. Which again, from a GMV perspective, the numbers might look the same. But in reality, if you're not core to someone's business, then there's a question like, is this a viable marketplace, or is this like something that, in your spare time you go and...
So how are you doing that? How are you going to do that? You have some interesting things that you're developing, right?
I can't tell about this. No, so I think for us, it's like mainly understanding like how the offline world operates, and then translating quite a lot of these mechanisms into just like how you build the platform. And the biggest thing, again, in our industry, I think Sam touched on it as well, it's like there's a relationship element there that is being done today in the offline world in a face-to-face environment. And the question is like, how do you get that feeling of relationship into an online world? Because that's quite big.